UK campaigners on Monday failed in a last-gasp attempt to stop the government's first flight of asylum seekers to Rwanda as protests mounted against the policy. 3 judges at the Court of Appeal in London rejected a challenge to a High Court ruling last Friday that the deportations could go ahead.
We return to the fundamental point in this case, which turns on how the judge dealt with the balance of convenience. In our judgment, he conducted that balancing exercise properly. He reached a conclusion which he was reasonably entitled to reach on the material before him. This court cannot therefore interfere with that conclusion. And the final heading is conclusion. For the reasons we have given, this appeal is dismissed.
On Tuesday, the government will send out the first batch of deportees on a chartered flight from an undisclosed airport. The UN refugee chief called the decision all wrong. Protesters gathered outside the Royal Courts of Justice on Monday, and further demonstrations took place outside the Home Office.
We are here to stand against this decision. We are urging Priti Patel, the Home Office and the Royal Court to drop the case. We won't keep quiet because it is against our human rights.
For Rwanda, I mean, it's a form of colonialism in reverse. It's trafficking people. Rwanda are getting the money. British people are moving their people out. It's the trafficking of people. It's as simple as that.
For agreeing to receive the asylum seekers, Rwanda will be paid millions of dollars as compensation. Both London and Kigali have defended the deal as a humane way to deal with illegal migration.